Alright. Let's see what this is all about for real. I'm fresh out of school, by the way. Just started hot one. Just kicked my tail. Alright. Why is this game music so loud? What's good? Welcome to another Crab's Treasure. And today we're gonna be getting cash, getting treasure. It's supposed to be like a Souls-like game. I never be out of ring. I only play like a good 20 minutes of it.
Environment. Some learn to feed on others, stealing their vitality for their own. Some become scavengers, living off what strangers leave behind. And others still, as we will soon see.
Ooh, W transition.
Would prefer.
That's W.
Sir, please open up.
Oh, you're not a bird.
Sir, are you the owner of this residence?
You mean my shell? Yeah, it's mine. Do you like it?
I represent the Royal Duchy of Slacktide, which has recently annexed the territory surrounding and including this tide pool.
Okay.
I'm here to inform you that you have outstanding taxes that date back in upwards of 10 tides.
Oh.
If you are presently unable to pay this balance, the Duchy will claim you home and that has to abide by her rules and pay up once
I have
per
2
time.
Reader's
There's
coupons
still plenty of birds
and a
here.
stick of gum.
I don't know if it's
Will that
really
cover the
safe.
cost?
You political nuances here. I've got a lot of tax evaders to get through.
Oh.
You gotta pay up right now, or I'm gonna have to repo your property.
When I see you dancing, I know you're a Dan. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away.
The clips or some sauce packets back there. I'm losing my darn patience. Alright, okay. Look. If you just give me, I just need a couple days.
I'm not asking you for a week.
I'm not asking you for a
month. I'm not asking
you for a month. I'm just asking you for one more
day.
You can't do that. Please. You can't do this to me, man. Am I supposed to say safe for all the birds around here? Not my problem.
Okay.
Alright, you know what we got? We gotta get our strength back, bro. Oh, hey! It's not the crab. Excuse me, sir. Did you see a really tall shark pass by carrying a super awesome, dope-looking shell that may or may not be mine? Word? Word? That's what I'm trying not to do. That's why I gotta catch up with him. Worthless. Oh, you ugly. Holy crap, what is wrong with your eyes? Why do you look like that? Have you been sleeping enough? Oh, Carl, get away from me. Oh, yeah, get away. Oh, whoa, chill. Whoa. What's going on down here? Hey, Jimmy, chill with Jimmy. It's me. Jimmy, you don't remember me?
What up, guys?
We locked in now. Nah, shut up. What's good? Stupid. What you got? Cook. Don't expect me to read. I stop reading when I hit 6th grade. I can't read. The shallows. Oh, okay. Hey. Huh. Hold up. Hey. uh, 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 uh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't you see your type leaving a tide pool too often? Yeah, well, I didn't have a choice. Hey, you tell me what's going on here? I heard there's like a... That's just in charge now? Yup, sure is. Real price... Right now, hopefully I can get rid of my taxes. Oh, I see how it is. You're some kind of freeloader, are you? Bet you think you can just, you know, skirt your taxes while you the rest of us keep the society together, do you? You just said you hermit crabs are all the same. Wearing the shells. You know what I'm saying? Drinking watermelon Kool-Aid, eating fried chicken, all the same. You ought to have stayed in your tide pool, small fry. Who you calling small fry? I never didn't. Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
I was
whoa,
about
whoa,
I do
whoa,
something.
whoa, hey.
At this point, I'm just like walking around and trying to figure out what I'm trying to do and killing off little stuff. But pretty much, I'm probably just gonna cut to the part when I run into the boss, since y'all came here to watch me die, not watch me not be able to read properly, die to little small creatures and slap people around. Montage. I guess I haven't thought about that. Is that important these days? I feel like society really moved on without me. Well, I've been practicing self-care. Yeah, sure seems like it. The Duchess would have our heads if we let wearing nothing but a rag. Okay. So we got jokes. We making fun of me because I ain't got no money. Face the gate and turn right, and you'll find a charity center. Okay. Sounds cool. And then you let me in? Assuming nothing sketchy comes up in your background. Check. Peace. What is that? Nah, what's that? What's that thing in the ground that I just walked past? But that looked like a crab. Why, bro, why y'all give me that? Oh, it's a block. I don't need that. Oh, alright, so this must be the cooling.
Let's get ready to rumble! You think yourself above the law, but the law is not so easily outwitted.
But what are you so pressed about?
Strength alone do we rise above the beasts.
I'm really sorry.
Whoa.
I'll go to the back of the line, okay?
You should be so lucky. I'll have your head like I have these other worthless law breakers.
Bro, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. It's not that serious. It was a... Calm down. What's up? Oh, stupid. Stupid. What's good?
You're fit food.
Ah! Die!
Stop resisting.
What is that move? Oh, he broke my shell.
Your filthy soul.
Freaking cooked me bad. The shell can break now. Alright. He also got a back attack. That's crazy. So stay away from the back of him. Try to stay at the front, I guess.
Your fish food.
That's my only like thought process when playing this dude right now. Alright. Stupid. Get weave. You're so bad. So bad at the game. Get better.
Through my blade is justice stuck. I mean, sir.
I'm kind of scared. Not gonna lie to you. You're so bad. Not like. What you gonna do? I'm gonna keep on switching this. Alright, one right there, right there, right there, right there.
You dare raise your blade against the law.
Oh, who do you think you are? Stupid. Stupid. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. By the way, first Souls-like game, so y'all know. I don't know if this count. Oh, my shell got hit too. Alright, get up. Reshell. Stupid. Did I say stupid? Get stopped. Alright, it's easy weave. Can we get there? Can we get there? Try to get there for the hit. Wait for him to do something. There it is. Oh, we got. Ah.
How boil you alive, varmint?
The weave. Oh, blockable attacks.
No!
Your filthy soul. Your fish food.
Did I not weave that? Really? Why are you doing a move so early? I'm back. Be a man.
Stop resisting.
Not resisting. Be a man. Stop running. You's a punk. You's a punk.
Oh, really?
Oh, I'm about to get hit. I know I'm about to get hit. Let's do this one. Thank you. I do not want to be by him.
Your filthy soul. Now raise your blade against the law.
Oh, crap!
It's messed up. It's so messed up. If he does the move twice, I'm gonna be mad. I throw this off. I need a shell.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
Oh! Use a punk! How many times he allowed to use that move?
How boil your filthy
Oh, what am I
soul
doing?
is now raise your blade against
Stupid!
the law.
So always be away from close. You got to do it. Where's it at? No, it would be me going you. Let's go!
Run the law.
Sit it down. Shut up, bum. Look, you had that little claw. Only won that because he chose not to spam the claw.